Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Aradhya. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Today we are going to know something interesting about Thailand. Now let's go to our video. Interesting facts about Thailand. Fact number 1. Thailand is the only Southeast Asian country that was never colonized by an European country. In fact, in the Thai language, the name of the country is Pathet Thai, which means land of the free. Very fitting. Another amazing fact. Fact number 2. Thailand is where you will find both the smallest and the largest creatures. The smallest mammal in the world, the bumblebee bat, calls Thailand home. You can also find the largest fish, the whale shark, in Thai waters. Fact number 3. Males were all Buddhist monks for a while. There was a time when all young men in Thailand, including royalty, were required to become Buddhist monks even if only for a short period of time before they turned 20. This practice is not observed as it used to be these days, however. Fact number 4. People often marvel at forests and jungles of Thailand, but there used to be more. What most people don't realize is that over 100 years ago, nearly all of northern Thailand was covered in hardwood forest. Today, about a quarter of that forest is left. Only Singapore has lost more trees. For this reason, logging is completely banned in Thailand. Fact number 5. 1/10 of the entire population of Thailand lives in Bangkok. It is the capital of this great nation and of course the largest city. Bangkok is the largest city in Thailand. Fact number 6. There are about 35,000 temples in Thailand. Thailand is truly a land of temples. Visiting them requires modest clothing, meaning no shorts or sleeveless shirts. Fact number 7. The national flower of Thailand is the orchid. If you love exotic flowers, you will be pleased to know that 1,500 orchid species can be found growing wild in Thai forest. There's the reason why it is one of the world's largest orchid exporters. Fact number 8. Thailand used to be known as Siam and it is the country where Siamese cats originated from. Though there used to be 23 types of Siamese cats originally, there are now only 6. Giving a pair of Siamese cats to a bride on her wedding day is considered good luck. Isn't that interesting? Tell us in comments. Another mind-blowing fact. Fact number 9. Red Bull, the world-famous energy drink, has its root in Thailand. It is based on creating Dang, a drink made popular in Thailand and eventually across Asia. Since 1976, Red Bull was modified to suit Western tastes. Fact number 10. You are lucky that you know Bangkok as Bangkok. Its real name is one of the longest names of a place in the world, made up of Pali and Sanskrit root words. Oh my god, such a big name. Fact number 11. Thailand is home to many animals. About a tenth of all the animal species on the planet call Thailand home and a tenth of all bird species. To put that into perspective, Thailand has more birds than Europe and America combined. Fact number 12. People associate elephants with Thailand. There are more than 5,000 found there, though more than half are domesticated. Over 100 years ago, though, there used to be about 1 lakh with about 1/5 of them wild. There are thousands of elephants in Thailand. like, share and subscribe my channel.